students, today I am going to teach you Commercial Studies of class 10, chapter number 2, Marketing and Sales. And our topic is Meaning of Marketing. Marketing is one of the operative function of management. There are two approaches of marketing. See, what is marketing? Marketing is one of the operative function of management, means processing function of management. And the definition of marketing, many are there. Different scholars have given different definitions. See, marketing is a process through which the producer attain their goals. They can achieve their target. Or a marketing is a process from which the producer and the consumers get connected. There are two approaches of marketing. First, traditional or product oriented approach to marketing. Second, modern or consumer approach to marketing. First one, in traditional, the consumer or the manufacturer, they are focused on their product. They mainly focused on their product, means they used to make their product quality best to attain their goals. Secondly, modern or consumer approach to marketing. In this, the manufacturer or the producer, what they do, they see what the consumer need. They go through the desire of the consumer, means what was consumer expectations from that particular product. They make the product according to the taste and preference of the consumer. Okay, our next topic is objectives of marketing. Before we have studied meaning of marketing and the approaches, two types of approaches of marketing. Now our next topic is objectives of marketing. First, creating demand. Marketing helps in creating demand. Marketing enables the firm to determine what the consumer want and them to design the product in tune with therewith. Marketing induces the creation of demand, which is possible with the help of advertising and sales promotion. See, creating demand. What marketing do? Marketing helps the producer to create the demand. Create the demand with the consumer, means what the consumer want. With the help of marketing, the producer, the manufacturers comes to know that what type of product they have to design to fulfill the need of the consumer. Second, and it is also possible with the help of advertising and sales promotion. Like advertising, how we come to know that one new product is introduced in the market? By seeing the advertisements in the newspaper, in the TV channels, etc. Next, providing consumer satisfaction. Marketing represents effective consideration of product, its pricing, transportation, warehousing and channel of distribution. Good marketing aims at attaining consumer maximum satisfaction. See, providing consumer satisfaction. Marketing helps to provide the consumers can get satisfaction with the help of marketing. Before starting a business or before setting up our business or product, what we have to do? We have to marketing. We have to see what the consumer want, how we can satisfy the needs of the consumer. Means you have produced a product, but you have to see how the product will reach to the consumer. How the product will reach the consumer, the transportation, warehousing, all the things you have to see all together in it. Next, objective of marketing. The next one, third one point, capturing the market. Marketing enables the firm to capture a reasonable share in the market through appropriate advertising and other promotional activities. This will increase the sale of the goods. See, with the help of marketing, the firm, the producer can hold an appropriate share in the market. Means if their products are good, if they have done the research good, if their products are customer oriented and the quality of the products are good, what will happen? They can capture the entire market. The demand of that market will be more in the market, and this will leads to increase in the sale of that particular product. Next, providing reputation. Marketing enables the firm to promote reputation through various image building activities such as quality, good at reasonable price, after sales service, etc. See, reputation is very important for any firm to settle in the market, in this competition market. In the competition, the firm has to make a good reputation. See how they can make. they can provide the goods at reasonable price. Means the best quality products they can give at a reasonable price. And like some products are there for which they can provide after sale services also, like computers are there, mobile phones are there, electronic items are there. And one more thing they can do, they can create like after sale service also, they can give coupons also, and many more activities are there through which they can increase their image in the eye of the consumer. Next, objective of marketing, maximizing profit. Marketing aims at maximizing profit through consumer satisfaction. Marketing is the only way through which the firm could generate revenue and bring in profit. See, maximizing profit. When a firm can earn profit, then only when the consumers are satisfied. When the consumers are satisfied, they are willing to purchase more and more of that product. When they will purchase more, it will generate the revenue and bring in profit for that particular firm. Next, standard of living. Marketing aims at improving the living standards of people by providing a wide variety of products and services and creating more employment opportunities. How marketing helps the people, helps the consumer to live more good, live their standard increases. How? Because they provide large variety of products and services. Means there are large variety of products which we can use for our personal satisfaction and for our personal needs. And one more thing, marketing creates more employment opportunities. Like when you will set up a firm, different departments, you will generate more employment opportunities for the general public. Our next topic is difference between marketing and sale. See, first point, scope. Marketing, it has wider scope which includes selling. Means marketing has a wide scope in which selling is included, and selling has a narrow scope because it is a part of marketing. Next, focus. In marketing, focused on the consumer need. In marketing, the focus is mainly on the consumer's need, but in selling it is on the seller's need. Means what he want, he need more and more profit. Next, concept. It is modern concept, means consumer based. It has traditional concept, means product based. Next, aim. It's aim at maximizing consumer satisfaction. The main aim of marketing is to maximize consumer satisfaction, because when the consumers are satisfied, then only the sale of that product will be more. And in this, it aims at increasing the volume of sale. They had a main objective that the volume of sale, they should sell more and more and more product. Beginning, our starting point, it begins before production and continues after sale. Means marketing starts when the product is not even produced. From that time marketing starts, but it starts after the product is produced. And marketing and selling is the one of the function of marketing. It includes in marketing only.